everyone, Alexa here from the blog theduvallhomestead.com, where I like to share our farm-to-table recipes and homesteading and homemade natural living and our simple lifestyle in our little homestead in Duvall. Today I want to share with you something a little different than what I typically share. I want to share with you how to work out at home. I have been an exercise enthusiast my whole life. I started out as a gymnast when I was a kid and I worked my way into becoming a professional dancer. Exercise has always been a very crucial part of my life, so it's something I'm really passionate about. I wanted to share it with you all here, especially at this time in our lives when people are at home and probably looking for more ways to get out, get active, and kind of how do you do that at your house. So in this series, I'm going to show you how to start exercising in the comfort of your own home. And this is going to be for you if you have never exercised before, if you want to start integrating exercise into your life, if you are just looking for new ideas to become active in your own home. I'm going to take you step by step on how to do that. It's really easy. Anyone can exercise and anyone has time to exercise. And I'm going to be talking a little bit more about how to fit exercise into your life, even if you think you can't, in another video. And at the end of this series, we will go through a few classes together with music and kind of put together some things that we've learned for a whole exercise set that's about 30 minutes long. So let's get started.